guys, what's up? It's your girl Trista here, and today is New Year's Eve. If you hear people in the background, I'm having a little party here. Well, my mom, we're just my family and stuff like that. We're just having food and just chilling. But I'm going out for New Year's Eve, so I want to look decent. And I don't look very good right now at all. Like, my cousin's even like, he walked into the house and he was like, nice outfit. And I was like, anyways, so I'm going to show you guys this hour transformation because I literally only have an hour to get ready because I think I'm gonna leave at like 11:30. It's 9, well no, it's 10 already. Hopefully I get ready by then. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit right now and just get started getting ready and looking decent. Look at this hair. I'm wearing a starter jacket, leggings, and these shoes. I'm not gonna lie, I look horrible, but it's all gonna change once I do my hair, my makeup, and put my outfit together. So I think I'm gonna start with my hair because I already know what I wanna do. I wanna just slick it all the way back. I know it's like, it's really, I don't know what to do. Maybe we're gonna do the hair first. So what I'm gonna do is hairspray the frick out of my hair and just slick it back. I want to do it so tight. My hair is like literally crying. So I do my hair up so much, but I really like the look. Now that I got my hair slicked up, I think I'm gonna fix it because it just looks a little weird to me, but I'm gonna start doing my makeup. So I'm gonna moisturize my skin. So dry and gross, but I'm gonna moisturize. Start off with some primer. I'm using the Too Faced hangover primer because I'm gonna get a hangover tonight. Let's be honest, we don't know that because I might not. It might just be a chill night. I'm going to conceal my lids to get maximum color. Dab that in with the Beauty Blender. I'm not gonna do anything like psycho because I'm not like amazing at makeup, but I'm pretty good at just, you know, putting one shimmer color from the Desi X Katy palette that I've been using religiously ever since I got it. Really recommend. I know, I feel like it wasn't hyped up like enough, but I love Desi, I love Katy, so shout out to them. I'm gonna be using this color right here. It's called Game Over because it's over. 2018, good riddance. I cannot begin to explain how annoying 2018 was, okay? Like, I did not like 2018. 2018 was so hard for me. This, I think my goodbye 2018 video should be already posted. Freaking hated 2018. I'm so excited to start up a new year. I want to go on a better note, feel more motivated, feel more happy. I just feel like a whole new person. The person who was started off the year, I really don't know that person. And you know how people say like, oh, I hate when people change. Like, I'm happy, I'm so different. I'm happy that this is the person I am and I know what I want and I'm determined to, I'm ready for the next chapter. I'm ready to graduate college and I'm ready to get a job and I'm ready to slay YouTube even more because I love it. Like, sometimes I feel like, oh, like YouTube has stressed me out so much and I don't feel good enough sometimes and da 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 da. But you know what? This, I look back and when I did my goodbye 2018, I was like, wow, like I did so much and I'm so happy that I get to, like, I love filming. I just love filming my life and sharing it with others. It's just literally the best. So I'm just so grateful that I got to experience everything I experienced and document this year. Like, it was great. So I'm gonna go into Game Over. I don't even know if I've used it before, so I'm just gonna go to my finger, Handy Dandy Finger by Morphe. It's like a midnight blue. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna just put it on my face already. Game Over, guys. Game Over. Oh, it's kind of like, oh, this is perfect for tonight. It's kind of hard to do it right now because look at that. Like, I'm gonna, like, it's so messy. Because I have nails right now. So if it's messy right now, don't worry, I'm gonna clean it up. Just made a whole mess, but whatever, it's gonna be fine. I think I'm gonna get a packing brush and just get like some of this Game Over and just like, get it on the edges. And sorry I'm not talking. I just really got my eye right now, so I'm really trying different things to redeem myself with the wrong blue by accident. So this eye is definitely messed up, but I'm just gonna smoke it out with more of like the transition color I used, and hopefully nobody noticed what I did. I'm really excited to go to this New Year's Eve party. I just feel ready. It's like the new year. I look psycho right now. I look like a raccoon. So I'm gonna just shape tape myself up Oof, I missed this. I got too excited with the concealer that I forgot to do foundation first. But whatever, I'm just gonna do concealer because I don't really want to put that much foundation. Right, now that I did my concealer, I'm gonna start doing my foundation. I don't want to do a lot. I feel like my face is like cut out. Wow, we are looking radiant. Alright, now that we're all foundationed up, we're gonna powder myself. I'm just gonna wait till like it kind of sets in, and I'm gonna fix my eyeshadow a bit because I think I went a little too fast. I got a little excited. I think this one's okay, but this one's like winged out and that one's not, so I'm gonna try to like wing this one out. So I'm excited for the new year. I have some really awesome ideas that I think I'm gonna do. So I'm excited because I have a lot of New Year's resolutions that usually I never make, but this year I am making. I do want to lose 20 pounds. I was super skinny when I started my YouTube channel, and then as I was doing my year in review, I was like, bitch, you gained so much weight. But I mean, you win some, you lose some, you know what I'm saying, people? I'll get back to it, don't worry. I really want to lose like 20 to 15 pounds. 15 to 20 pounds, okay, so like can't lose 20. You know what I mean? And I want to start a podcast. So I kind of have a concept down. I just want to talk about like being in my 20s and like, you know, just like those things you go through when you're like college or not in college or just working or like trying to find yourself, because we're all just wandering, lost beings right now. Like being in your 20s is so weird. Some people are like in college, some people are not, some people are married, and some people have kids, and some people just are going through a hard time, or just like, or even like going through the best time. Like it just depends on where you're at. I think I want to launch it in February so I can get like everything ready and set to go, and I'm working on like my first episode, and I'm really excited for this new endeavor. I'm excited for this new like thing I'm gonna do, because when I set my mind to something, I like follow through for the most part, and I'm only gonna have 3 classes this semester. So I'm ecstatic that I have time to do YouTube. I just saw like this video about Antonio Garza, and he has like 2 million subscribers. It's insane. And he just dropped out of school because he just didn't have time to do YouTube, and he was like, okay, do I do YouTube or do I go to school? Like there's either or, like there's no way like I can pass all my classes, do YouTube. I mean, like some people do it, but some people just can't, and like I think I'm that type of person. It's like either or, like, so I'm excited that like at least my workload is gonna be, yeah, class less, and that's like a lot in itself. I get to do YouTube as much as I want, and it's gonna be freaking a blast. So hopefully I follow through. If I don't, then you can shoot me in the foot because I'm done. Almost done. My family's like going off in the kitchen right now. They're like having the best time of their lives. Now eyebrows. Let's get it done. Boom. All right, now I'm gonna do some Glossier boy brow. Whoa, my eyebrows look cool with the boy brow.
Remember?
You guys want to be in my video?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm doing a 1-hour transformation.
Oh shit, I'm just showing the camera.
My cousins are here while I'm transforming. I look like, tell the fans how I look.
Like Chewbacca. Oh.
When I'm done with my transformation dress and everything, I'm gonna go and ask them how I look, and I'm gonna get everyone's reaction. They're gonna be like, and you look the same.
So how long, T-minus how long till you're ready?
I've only been getting ready for 30 minutes.
No way.
Yeah, so in like 20 minutes. Okay, back to the tutorial. I'm just gonna do my eyelashes now. Okay, I think I'm ready, because the more mascara, honestly, the better. I think I'm gonna put like a pop of glitter, more glitter, I know. Just like regular glitter in the middle of my eyes. I'm going to use a lipstick called Mocha for now and see how it looks. I got this for Christmas, I believe. It's my first time using it, but it's very pretty. My makeup is officially done, and I'm gonna put on my dress, and I'll catch you guys after I put it on. Okay, so this is the outfit I put on. I'm gonna put on these leather pants. I know I look thick, guys. Don't judge. I promise I'll get back to where I used to be. Put on these Kendra Scott earrings because I'm Texas AF, and that's like what we wear out here, you know what I'm saying? This shirt from literally Target. I think I got these pants from Lulu. Then I got these shoes from Forever 21. And then this jacket from Target. So my skin looks actually incredible today. So I'm really proud about that. I put on a lot of highlight, a lot of glitter, and I am ready to go. I think I'm ready. I'm gonna like take some pictures. I'm gonna show you guys literally the whole transformation, like literally how I looked before and how I look now. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna show you a full outfit, I guess. Alright, so the jacket is looking pretty cool. It's really cold outside, like not super, but it's cold for me, so I don't want to be like freezing. It's also like a short sleeve. I might put on a necklace, I'm not sure, but I think it looks pretty good if you ask me. So I'm gonna ask my family what they think of my transformation. So what do you think of my transformation? Better
it's
than
like Tuesday all over again.
Here we go, baby! What do you think of my transformation? It's great. It looks good. You look good, honey. You look like shit. Now you look not like shit. This smoky eye is New Year's appropriate. Can I use that good palette? Yes.
Yeah, you need it, honey.
What'd you say?
Yeah, you need it, honey.
Theo's like, yes.